would like to invite Dr. Sekar Viswanathan, Vice President of VIT, for the felicitation address.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you. So it's tough to follow up with after Sir. He's a great speaker, great motivator. How many of you watched Lionel Messi, the Argentinian football player, play? How many of you know Messi? Raise your hand. Good. At least everybody in the student population know. Imagine Brazil versus Argentina, FIFA World Cup final. Okay? And Messi gets the ball. Then he starts moving towards the goal post. You think he will stop because everybody is taking photo of him and then give a wave and smile? Or some Brazilian team is booing him, he will be very upset. He will be focusing on the ball to put a goal. You are Messi. You are Lionel Messi. VIT is the ball. You need to score the goal. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. There will be 1,000 cameras taking photos. There will be 1,000 people booing you. Anything might come. Don't get distracted. Stay focused. You need to score the goal. So, the first thing in life you need to do is setting your goal. Goal setting exercise is an important thing. You are all starting your BTech career now, first year. Imagine, at least the students, just do one 10-second exercise. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes and think of you after 5 years. Where are you? What do you do? You don't need to tell me. Just think. 5 years has happened. 20 years from now, where are you? What are you doing? Just do that exercise. Thank you. So, you need to imagine where you would be 5 years from now. After graduate, 4 years you are going to graduate. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, where would you want to be? Right? That goal needs to be set. For example, you could have 3 types of goals. First, after my BTech, I want to do my MS, let's say. So think Stanford, think Berkeley, right? Think Georgia Tech. So, or think MIT. How do I get into Stanford? It's not that easy, right? You need to have great projects. You need to have great publications. You need to do a lot of work because your statement of purpose, your recommendation letters, your GRE scores, everything becomes important. So start aiming at that. Okay, that's one type of goal. You want to do higher education and go to US or UK or Canada, fine. Suppose you want to get into corporate career, right? You are all computer science students here. Okay, I want to get into Microsoft. I want to get into Google or Oracle or any other famous startup. How does it happen? You need to have that goal. We are here to help. We will guide you, right? Or the third type of goal could be, I want to become an entrepreneur, right? So we've got 2 great guests here today. One is an entrepreneur himself, Pugad, and Madam helps you become an entrepreneur. She is an IAS officer who runs entrepreneurship development, startup Tamil Nadu. So I've got a great lineup of speakers today. I want to speak less and I want to hear more from them. These are some of the role models whom we want to bring and showcase to you. I told Madam just before coming to this meeting, every girl, every student, especially girls, are going to look up to you. How do I become Ms. Archana Patnaik? How do I make it happen? She is the boss of the entire MSME department. It doesn't happen overnight. How does Pugal become a great industrialist running Dassel Group of any kind of industry? It doesn't happen overnight. Hard work, vision. You need to have that first. I told you about goals, right? Set that goal. As Pro-VC pointed out, tomorrow you are going to sit on the stage. I want to showcase you as saying the greatest entrepreneur, greatest IAS officer, greatest IPS officer. So set that vision and be focused. I'll give you one small example. Every day I go to our gym here to do my workout. 6 o'clock. I think I beat everybody. Whenever I go there, there's one more girl student who's already in the gym. I asked her. Her name is Kankana Kumar. She is from Assam. Every day she does weight training there. She told me, sir, last year, she's from Assam and she's competing here. She's an engineering student. I won the district medal, Chennai district medal in weightlifting. And next year, I'm going to win the state medal. I told her, amazing. Because you have the dedication. Every morning, she is in the gym working out. Because that focus, that hard work is required. I told her, not only state, you are going to become a national champion and you are going to go into Olympics. It's going to happen. If you put your hard work, it's going to happen. There is no shortcut in life. There is no shortcut in life. You know, in Tamil they say, Mandirattal Mangai Viradu. There is no shortcut. Don't aim for shortcuts. Let's work hard and achieve the goal. Of course, not just hard work, smart work. Anyway, I need to wind up quickly. The other point which I wanted to mention to you is networking. When I say network, I am not talking about your just social media network. I am talking about professional network. How many of you have LinkedIn account? Raise your hand. Very good, very good. The next time I ask, everybody should raise your hands. Because you need to have a professional network. How are you going to grow up in your career? It is the network. You ask Pugal, he is going to say that. To become an entrepreneur, to grow up in your career, you need a great network. You start that now. Don't wait for after graduation. Professional network, we are going to get industry people to come and talk to you. Become friends with them. Connect with them. Make them your mentors. Your network becomes important. Forget the social media. For social media could be fun. Social media, be very careful. Don't just forward what you get. A lot of bad things come, unverified stuff. Don't forward, don't believe stuff. And don't waste a lot of time. Just, the phone, it should be your slave. Don't become phone's slave. Anyhow, coming back, I want you to stay focused and think about the impact of new technologies, right? Artificial intelligence. Everybody is saying that it's going to eat up the jobs. My thinking is it's not going to eat up the jobs, it's going to transform the jobs, right? See, 4 years ago, nobody knew about Gen AI. Nobody talked about Gen AI. Knew about it, but didn't talk about it. 4 years from now, when you are going to graduate, we don't know what technology will be there. But if you are smart, you will know how to survive. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Are you tough? Yes? I cannot hear you. Thank you. All the best.